Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we delve deep into the official specifications, anticipated release date, and projected pricing of the Mac Mini M5. Apple's upcoming Mac Mini M5, set to redefine the standards of compact desktops. In this in-depth video, we explore the anticipated features, specifications, and advancements that make the Mac Mini M5 a game-changer in the world of computing. Mac Mini M5, a new era of performance. The Mac Mini M5 is poised to deliver unprecedented performance, thanks to the integration of the next-generation Apple M5 chip. Built on TSMC's advanced 2nm process technology, the M5 chip promises significant improvements in speed, efficiency, and AI capabilities. Key specifications: CPU up to 12-core CPU, with a mix of performance and efficiency cores. GPU, enhanced integrated GPU for superior graphics performance. Neural engine, advanced neural engine for accelerated machine learning tasks. Memory starting at 16 GB unified memory, configurable up to 64 GB. Storage base model with 512 GB SSD, options up to 2 TB. Redesigned for elegance and efficiency, the Mac Mini M5 is expected to feature a sleek, compact design with improved thermal management and energy efficiency. The refined aluminum chassis not only enhances aesthetics, but also contributes to better heat dissipation, ensuring silent and cool operation. Connectivity and expansion: stay connected with a comprehensive array of ports and wireless technologies. Thunderbolt ports, multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports for high-speed data transfer and display connectivity. USB ports, USB-A and USB-C ports for versatile peripheral connections. HDMI 2.1 support for high-resolution external displays. Ethernet optional 10 gigabits Ethernet for ultra-fast networking. Audio 3.5mm headphone jack with high-fidelity audio support. Wireless Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless wireless communications. macOS Sequoia, enhanced user experience. The Mac Mini M5 will run on macOS Sequoia, Apple's latest operating system designed to leverage the full potential of the M5 chip. Users can expect iPhone mirroring, control your iPhone directly from your Mac window, tiling, improved multitasking with intuitive window management. Apple Intelligence, advanced AI features for smarter computing, enhanced Safari, faster browsing with new privacy features. Redesigned calculator and notes apps, improved productivity tools. Release timeline and pricing according to industry reports. The Mac Mini M5 is anticipated to launch in late 2025, with the following pricing structure: base model starting at $599, Pro model estimated at $1,399. With higher configurations available. Please note that prices and release dates are subject to change based on official announcements. Who should consider the Mac Mini M5? The Mac Mini M5 is ideal for creative professionals, video editors, graphic designers, and musicians requiring powerful performance in a compact form. Developers, software engineers, and developers seeking a reliable and efficient development machine. Educators and students, individuals looking for a versatile and affordable desktop solution. Home users, anyone desiring a sleek, powerful, and energy-efficient desktop for everyday use. Apple M5 chip, next-gen performance powerhouse. The M5 chip is expected to be Apple's most advanced custom silicon yet. Built on TSMC's 2nm architecture, this chip will bring revolutionary improvements in power efficiency, thermal control, and AI or ML performance. Expected features of the M5 chip: 12-core CPU, 8 performance cores, plus 4 efficiency cores, delivers blazing fast performance with optimized energy usage. 16-core or 18-core GPU provides powerful integrated graphics, ideal for creators and gamers. 40+ billion transistors, more than the M3/M4, enabling more computing tasks simultaneously. 2x faster neural engine. 32 Core accelerates AI and machine learning, perfect for macOS Sequoia. Features like Apple Intelligence, hardware-accelerated ray tracing and mesh shading, improved graphics rendering for 3D modeling, AR/VR, and gaming. Keyword boosts: Apple M5 chip Mac Mini M5 Performance, 2nm Apple Silicon, M5 versus M4 chip, Neural Engine and Mac Mini Unified Memory RAM faster, larger, and more efficient. Apple is expected to equip the Mac Mini M5 with next-generation Unified Memory LPDDR6 that is tightly integrated with the M5 chip. Memory configurations: base model 16GB, Unified Memory upgradable options 32GB, 48GB, and up to 64GB memory bandwidth, 300 to 400GB estimated. This fast and unified memory boost performance for running multiple Pro apps simultaneously, real-time rendering and simulation, handling massive datasets or spreadsheets with ease, storage lightning-fast SSD performance. The M5 Mac Mini is expected to feature Apple's high-performance SSD architecture with ultra-low latency and high durability. SSD options: base 512GB SSD, optional upgrades 1TB, 2TB, and possibly 4TB for Pro configurations. Read speeds: 6,000 MB per second. Write speeds: 5,500 MB per second. Users will benefit from faster boot and app launch times, instant file transfers, smoother editing of high-resolution videos, 4K per 8K footage, GPU-integrated graphics that rival discrete GPUs. Apple's M-series chips have consistently pushed the boundaries of integrated GPU performance. The M5 chip is rumored to feature up to 18-core GPU and even higher in Pro/Ultra variants. The GPU capability support for up to 3 external displays, up to 8K resolution output, promotion, 120Hz support, advanced metal FX, upscaling hardware, ray tracing, plus mesh shading. This makes the Mac Mini M5 capable of professional-grade video editing and color grading, 3D modeling, and rendering. Smooth gaming experiences on macOS titles, ports, and connectivity, the most versatile, yet despite its small size, the Mac Mini M5 will continue to offer a generous selection of high-speed ports. Wireless Wi-Fi 6E for multi-gigabit wireless speeds, Bluetooth 5.4 for reliable accessory pairing, audio system, high fidelity. On a budget, the Mac Mini M5 will retain the enhanced 3.5mm jack with high-impedance headphone support, perfect for musicians, podcasters, and audiophiles. Expect support for spatial audio when using Apple Music or compatible headphones, advanced audio out features via USB-C and HDMI for professional audio workflow, security, on-device privacy, and encrypted storage. Apple continues to set the benchmark for system security with these features: Secure Enclave for biometric and encrypted operations, built-in Touch ID support, File Vault, full disk encryption on device, AI processing via the Neural Engine, macOS Sequoia integration. The M5 chip is built to run macOS Sequoia smoothly, taking full advantage of Apple Intelligence on-device AI, enhanced continuity features, iPhone mirroring, Safari profiles, Pro apps optimization, iCloud AI storage suggestions, game mode upgrades for Metal 4.0, thermal design and power efficiency. Apple may slightly redesign the thermal layout to accommodate the M5's performance, improved heat dissipation through copper core heat sinks, near silent operation even under full load, fanless or single fan version depending on the SKU, lower power draw compared to Intel and M1 chips. Configurability and custom options: Apple may offer additional configurability directly through the online store, memory and storage upgrades. Optional 10 gigabits Ethernet, color finishes, space gray and silver, pre-installed Final Cut Pro or Logic Pro for creatives. Stay connected. Don't miss out on the latest updates and in-depth analyses. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things Mac Mini M5 and the evolving world of virtual reality.